Trump administration discussing possible encouragement of nationwide curfew. Washington. There are active discussions within the Trump administration to encourage a possible curfew across the nation, in which non-essential businesses would be encouraged to close by a certain time each night in response to the coronavirus pandemic, according to an administration official and another source familiar with the matter. The recommendation would likely focus on malls, restaurants and bars, while grocery stores and pharmacies could be exempt from the curfew. The idea would be fashioned after the European model, but would likely have to be enforced to the local level. The source familiar tells CNN that a curfew could be strongly encouraged at the state level. Vice President Mike Pence's spokeswoman Katie Miller strongly disputed that a curfew was under consideration. "A curfew is not on the table," she said. Miller said curfews would not be part of the guidelines presented by the task force during the president's video teleconference with governors that was set to begin late Monday morning. The discussions come as many cities and states have already taken aggressive steps toward curbing social gatherings as the coronavirus outbreak progresses in the United States. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention on Sunday recommended limiting public gatherings to less than 50 people. New Jersey residents are no longer allowed to travel from 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Time, with the exception of essential travel, Governor Phil Murphy announced Monday. Listen to the CNN Coronavirus Fact vs. Fiction podcast with Chief Medical Correspondent Dr. Sanjay Gupta here. The state, along with New York and Connecticut, announced a ban on gatherings of more than 50 people on Monday. The three states agreed to close casinos, gyms and movies will close at 8 p.m. Eastern Time Monday. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo said. Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer signed an executive order that temporarily closes public accommodation places such as theaters, bars, casinos, and gyms until the end of the month. She is also limiting restaurants to carry out, delivery or drive-through only. And Rhode Island Governor Gina Raimondo has said gatherings in her state should be capped at no more than 25 people. CNN's Melanie Schumann, Elizabeth Joseph and Karma Hassan contributed to this report. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.